see where it's at. Let me see if I go back to where I did there. See if I go over there. You just scroll the little dial thing at the top. Go down to network.
No.
Okay.
Just go to whatever. Just go to the sonar. Select the sonar.
Okay. They got at the top of the screen it says internal sonar chart 1.
No, you're not where I'm talking about. Just go and select your sonar. I mean, just like the screen, the regular screen.
Okay. More options. Okay.
Yeah. See where it says stop sonar?
See where it says stop sonar.
Under more options. Should be the second one from the top.
Mine just says back, orientation up, heading up, looking up.
Because you're on the GPS, you're not on the sonar. You need to select the sonar box.
Gotcha. Okay. Alright, more options. Yep. Let's see where it says stop.
Yep. Should be a little orange thing in the corner, triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit that and go to all your pages there. I mean, like your site image in your town, and make sure that's not selected.
Come back in the game now, coach.
Aye. That's right.
Let me see if I got my charts back. Using your Lowrance chart. Lowrance. Okay, got that back. Let's see if this is working over here now. See, I'm still in Shreveport on one of these charts, man.
Hit X. Like, I mean, you need to go back to cursor or something.
Store cursor, clear cursor. It's still kind of like this.
Clear cursor.
Yeah, it still got me like in no man's land.
Well, it's not. You may have to go back. Go through and select your point 1.
That's where I go to settings, network,
Yeah.
sonar, data sources,
Yeah, source.
sonar.
Yep. You gotta select what the source is.
You selecting the sonar or GPS?
GPS.
Okay, and then it says all data.
What?
And then after GPS it goes all data.
Yeah. Yeah. Should select point 1. Why didn't they do all that?
I have no idea.
Because it's Raymond. I'm not a big fan of Raymond.
So look, they got auto. Let's see. They had one that said auto pump one. It was on a. And they got HDS 12. This device. I don't want that one.
I don't know.
Hey man.
Yeah.
Clock reading.
That's right. Hey, I can't stay on here very long.
I got you, brother. Appreciate you. Good.